Hello, my name is Maksymilian Stefański, and this is my final project for CS50 Introduction to Computer Science. Let's start by running Flask, because this is the web-based game. And the goal of the game is to click on the jar of Mayo, which will make pleasant interaction with the player. Then the player can spend Mayo points on upgrading the clicks, which makes the clicker power even stronger. And eventually player can buy upgrades like Egg Farm or maybe some Grandmas to help him be the best Mayo maker in the world. Everything that player makes can be saved and then loaded. So if I press save and then refresh the page and press load, it is getting loaded. So the progress won't be lost even after you close the website. There's also a small introduction how to play the game. And as you can see, the goal of the game is to reach 1 million points. So let's maybe cheat a bit and go back to the index.html and let's make 6 nines, which is one of the million. Now, when we reload the page, and let's just assume the player played for a few minutes and he reaches 1 million mayonnaise, that's what he gets. He gets a nice celebration of confetti and the message that his mayonnaise dominated the world. So the way this website is made is mostly made in JavaScript, but I also separated the website itself on the different file. So we have the layout, which is basically everything that's not the game. So the menu on top, how to play, and etc. And the core of the game is made in different HTML. Everything can be changed on the go. So for example, if I want to change, let's say how much the grandmas increases mayonnaise, I can set up 500 here. And once I refresh the page, it's just very simple to modify. The core of the game is made in JavaScript. So is the celebration, so is the save and loading the game. And obviously checking if the player actually won the game, which can be also very easily changed to a different value. The game runs on Flask, so there is just a very simple Flask file to just run it. And there is also CSS, which is pretty long. And everything can be also changed about the game in the CSS file. And there is even animation for +1 or like plus whatever the player clicks on the Mayo. So it's more pleasant to click on the Mayo jar. The game is made, all the graphics in the game are made by me. And I just hope that you and whoever will play the game will enjoy it. Thank you so much for your time.